Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. Guys, today we are making this beautiful top, monostripe top. It's very beautiful and the material we are using is very small compared to the cover picture because the sleeve, my own sleeve is very small but it's the same thing. So when making your own, you can also use a bigger one, or if you have a small material like this, you can also use it. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up so that this video more people can get to see it and learn from it. So guys, always practice these tutorials that we are making on your own after watching my tutorials. So let's get started. Please watch to the end.
We are making monostripe top, so I will start with our length. My length that I'm using here is 22, so that is the 22 that I'm marking, and after that I'll just give it a straight line. So I've done with this line now, so it's a monostripe neck that we are making, remember that. So this is the real line, so I will start for the neck. So my shoulder first is 8, that is 16, so I'm marking 8 there. To bring the armhole side of it is 8 also, so that is the armhole side. So now is the neck that I want to measure. I'm marking 4 on it, so it's a round neck that I will use cut it before we now spread it out to cut the monostripe neck. So I'll just give it a round neck first. That is 3, is 3 that I'm marking there that you can see there now. So take it, just round it out. So that is the neck now. So after that we'll now start with our body measurement now proper. So we're done with that. So now is the neck. To slope it, so I'm using 1 inch to slope it down. That is the shoulder side of my neck. So I'm rolling out with my ruler also. So when you are doing your own, just copy the way we are doing it now and you will see that it will come out exactly. So that is why we are showing you this video. So do it on your own. Try to do it and show it to your friends also, so that they too can learn. So my half length there is what I'm marking. My half length is 16, so that is my half length. So on that my half length is where I will get my waist measurement now. So my bust measurement is what I'm still pointing it for you to see that I'm marking 38. So adding 2 inch on it, that is my sewing allowance. Coming to the waistline now, that will mark our 16, that is the half length, that is where we'll get our waistline, is 30. So I'm adding 1 inch because it will have a dot, that is 1 inch dot, before we now add our sewing allowance, which is 2 also, that I'm marking at the waist side of it. So coming to the downside of it now is 42, adding my sewing allowance. That 42 is the hip line, the hip measurement. So now we'll connect. So that is what I'm doing now. So I'll connect it now. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my channel to the end, watch it so that you can do it on your own. Do it on your own the way you can see the way I'm doing it now. So that is it. So that is the armhole side that I'm also bringing it down. So that is the curving side of my armhole. I've done it. So just for us now to cut out, because the measurement is done. So what are we doing? We are doing a monostripe neck. That monostripe is the neck that we are calling it, and that's what we will do. So by the time we cut it, you see how it will come out. So my neck is what I'm cutting now. Cutting it, the shoulder side, I've done it, so I'm cutting it also. So that is the cutting side of it. So continue to watch my video, continue to subscribe to my channel, continue to look forward to my channel, because we have a lot to offer you. So that is the cutting. So I'm doing it now, cutting it out for you to see. So that is the downside of the cutting also. So after that, just for you now to use this front side, because this is the front that we are making, that is cutting. We use it to lay at the back side of it, and also to cut it out before we now properly cut our neck that we are calling monostripe neck. So this is the back side of it now. So I've used the front to lay on it to get our zipper allowance. So my zipper allowance, I will measure it for you to see, is 1 inch that I added there for my zipper allowance. So that's my zipper allowance. So after that, just for us now to curve the neck to get exactly what we get at our front neck. So after that, we also cut it out. So we'll cut it out, tie the neck. So after that, I'll just open the zipper side of it also and cut. So that is the cutting now that I'm making. Please, can you see what I'm doing here now? I hope the camera is showing you everything, every detail of it. We are showing you so that you will do it on your own. Can you see the way I'm emphasizing it? Do it on your own, wear it out, show it to people that you can make stuff like this. So that is the zipper style that I've opened there now. So continue to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end. So we're done with that. So now I'll spread the front and the back. So this is what we are actually going to do now. So now is the front. Can you see what I'm doing? Watch it. So I want to use the front now to lay. This is the front that I'm laying. The first one is the back side that I've laid already. So this is the front side now that I'm laying. So watch what I'm doing here now. So I want to cut the neck. Can you see what I'm doing here now? So I'm joining the front and the back of it. So we folded it together. So I want to start from the neck, from the shoulder. What I'm marking there is 3.5. 3.5 is what I'm marking there to slope it. That is the neck now. So coming from the end, that side that I'm pointing, that is the other side of the neck, is what I will just slope it down there. So that is what I'm doing there now. Please don't be annoyed that the chalk is not showing you very well, but this I will explain it and just look at it, look at the details, what I'm doing. So because the cloth is white, I don't want my chalk to stain the fabric. That's why I'm doing it the way you are saying it, but I'm just explaining it, and follow up, you will actually get to the style that I'm making here for you. So we are making it for all of us to understand, to cut it on our own. Watch my video to the end, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends. So I want to cut the neck now. So it's the back and the front that I've laid together to cut, so it will appear at one side of the neck, the other side. So what will happen now, that means this sloping side will not be up shoulder side, while the other side will not be the armhole side. So that is what I've done there now. So we've cut it now. So what I will do now is just for us now to go and hem it, that is the neckline, and stitch it. So remember, the sleeve now is the sleeve that we are making. Why I'm saying it is that it's not like the cover picture. So that is the length. The length is 10, and the fabric that we are using, that is the width, is 10 also. So I'm opening it together. That is the two sides of the sleeve is what I want to open together, so that we'll go and stitch it and use elastic to puff it out. It will be elastic, and the other side that will be the shoulder side, we will puff it with elastic, while the upper side of the armhole that I will fix on that shoulder side, we'll just go and gather it on machine. It will not be on elastic, while the other side of the sleeve will be at the sloping side, that's up shoulder. We'll puff it together. That is, the elastic will be at the down side and the elastic will be on the upper side. So can you see the difference now? The difference is that the shoulder side, one side will be elastic, while the other side we will go and stitch it and gather it out and fix to the shoulder side. So, and that is the style that we are making, and that is what I'm doing here now. So I'm gathering it now. That is the puff sleeve for the sleeve now. So that is what I'm doing there now. So this is how you will also do your own. Just watch exactly what you are seeing here, and you arrive for the with the sleeve now. So this is the sleeve. This is what I'm showing you. So can you see that is elastic, and that is the elastic. So this one will now appear at the shoulder, up shoulder side of it, that is the sloping side, while this one that I'm showing you is the one that will appear at the shoulder side of it now. So this is the two sleeve. So this is what it will comes out by the time you finish doing it. So this one is what we'll go and fix on the shoulder side. We already gather it with our machine. So can you see the explanation is done? So this is it now. Very beautiful.
Yes, our mono stripe top is ready, I hope you understood what we did from the explanation. You can see the sleeve, we have placed it on the top, very beautiful. Guys, please click the subscribe button to subscribe now to my channel. You can share this video with your friends, give this video a thumbs up, please comment, please tell me what you observe on this tutorial, and I want you to also encourage us from your comment. Thank you so much for always watching our tutorial. So you can check our other videos so that you can also learn how to cut other styles that we have made on this channel. So very beautiful top that you can wear out on your chin and you are good to go. Please, thank you for watching. I will see you on Monday.